The U.S. Army's introduction of the Armored Multi-Purpose Vehicle marks a significant evolution in battlefield mobility and crew protection. Designed to replace the aging N-113 armored personnel carriers, the AMPV represents the latest in military technology and strategic thinking, ensuring that the U.S. remains at the cutting edge of armored warfare capabilities. Overview of the AMPV program. The Armored Multi-Purpose Vehicle program represents a strategic initiative by the U.S. Army to replace its aging fleet of N-113 armored personnel carriers, which have been in service since the 1960s. Launched to address the evolving demands of modern warfare, the AMPV program aims to enhance survivability, mobility, and versatility across the Army's units. This new class of combat vehicles is designed to fulfill 5 primary roles: general purpose, mortar carrier, mission command, medical evacuation, and medical treatment. The AMPV program not only provides upgraded protection and mobility compared to the N-113, but also ensures greater interoperability with current military technologies, such as the N-1 Abrams tank and the N-2 Bradley. Through the AMPV, the Army seeks to maintain its tactical and operational superiority by deploying a platform that supports a wide range of missions while integrating the latest advancements in armored vehicle technology. Technical specifications of the AMPV. The AMPV boasts an array of advanced technical specifications designed to meet the rigorous demands of modern combat. Powered by a robust engine capable of delivering significant horsepower, the AMPV offers enhanced mobility and speed across varied terrains. It features state-of-the-art modular armor protection, including systems capable of countering IEDs, mine resistance, and kinetic energy threats. The vehicle is equipped with a modern digital backbone, allowing for seamless integration with the Army's networked communication systems. Additionally, the AMPV supports a variety of weapon systems that can be tailored to mission requirements, including a remotely operated weapon station armed with a 0.50 caliber machine gun or 40mm automatic grenade launcher. These technical enhancements ensure that the AMPV can effectively transport troops, provide fire support, and execute command and control functions under the most challenging conditions. Variants of the AMPV and their functions. The U.S. Army's Armored Multi-Purpose Vehicle program encompasses several variants, each designed to fulfill specific roles on the battlefield, enhancing the operational capabilities of the force. The General Purpose variant serves as a troop carrier, command post, and for other utility purposes. The Mortar Carrier variant is equipped to deploy a 120mm mortar system, providing indirect fire support. The Mission Command variant acts as a mobile tactical operations center, featuring advanced communication and data systems. The Medical Evacuation variant is configured for casualty evacuation with space and facilities for treating wounded personnel during transport. Finally, the Medical Treatment variant serves as an ambulatory point and can provide life-sustaining treatments on move. Each of these variants is tailored to maximize effectiveness in its designated role, ensuring flexibility and robust support for ground operations. Enhanced protection features. The AMP has been meticulously designed to offer enhanced protection features to ensure the safety of its occupants in diverse and threatening battlefield environments. It is equipped with state-of-the-art armor that provides all-around protection against ballistic threats, shrapnel, and improvised explosive devices. The vehicle's base structure includes a V-hull shape, which is essential for deflecting blasts from below, significantly improving survivability against mines and IED attacks. Additionally, the AMPV incorporates an automatic fire suppression system, nuclear, biological, chemical protection to seal the cabin from environmental threats, and blast mitigating seating to reduce the risk of injury from explosions. These comprehensive protection features underscore the AMPV's role as a resilient and secure platform tailored for modern mechanized warfare. Mobility and terrain agility. The AMPV is engineered for exceptional mobility and terrain agility, allowing it to operate effectively across a broad range of environments from urban landscapes to rugged rural terrain. Powered by a robust engine and featuring an advanced suspension system, the AMPV can navigate difficult terrains while maintaining high speeds, essential for rapid deployment and maneuverability during operations. The vehicle's design emphasizes not only power but also versatility, with systems in place to overcome obstacles such as steep inclines, deep water fordings, and challenging weather conditions. This enhanced mobility ensures that the AMPV can keep pace with the Army's main combat units like the Abrams tanks and Bradley fighting vehicles, providing critical support and force protection wherever it is most needed. Interoperability with existing systems. The AMPV is designed with a high degree of interoperability with existing Army systems, ensuring seamless integration into the current and future battlefield network. It is equipped with the latest digital infrastructure that aligns with the Army's network-centric warfare philosophy, facilitating effective communication and data exchange with other platforms like the N1 Abrams tank and the M2 Bradley fighting vehicle. This network compatibility extends to command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance systems, enabling the AMPV to act as a node in a much larger tactical network. The integration allows for coordinated operations across various military assets, enhancing the effectiveness and situational awareness of the entire combat team. This strategic compatibility ensures that the AMPV can adapt to evolving technological advancements and maintain operational effectiveness in joint missions. Impact on Army operations. The introduction of the AMPV into U.S. Army operations significantly enhances tactical flexibility and operational readiness. As a highly versatile platform, the AMPV replaces the older N113 vehicles, providing upgraded capabilities in terms of protection, firepower, and network integration. Its ability to perform multiple roles from frontline combat support to medical evacuation and command and control allows for more cohesive and adaptive force deployment. Additionally, the AMPV's superior mobility and communication systems enable it to synchronize smoothly with modern combat units, facilitating faster and more effective responses to battlefield conditions. This integration profoundly impacts the Army's operational strategy, allowing for more dynamic, protected, and efficient execution of missions across various combat scenarios. Production and deployment plans. The production and deployment of the AMPV are well underway, with the U.S. Army having laid out clear timelines and goals to integrate this pivotal vehicle into their operations. The program kicked off with a substantial initial order aiming to replace a significant portion of the aging N113 fleet. Production is being managed by BAE Systems, which was awarded the contract to produce multiple variants of the AMPV. The first vehicles have already been delivered for testing, with full-scale production ramped up to meet the Army's schedule of fielding these vehicles over the next few years. By the mid-2020s, the Army plans to have a substantial number of AMPVs operational, enhancing the capabilities of its mechanized and armored brigades significantly. This phased deployment strategy ensures that units have time to train with and fully integrate the new vehicles into their existing operational frameworks, optimizing combat readiness and capability enhancement across the force. Challenges and controversies. The AMPV program, while crucial for modernizing the U.S. Army's armored capabilities, has faced its share of challenges and controversies. One of the primary concerns has been the cost associated with developing such a high-tech vehicle, especially in an era of tightening defense budgets. Critics have questioned whether the investment in AMPVs offers the best value for money when compared to upgrading existing vehicles or investing in other technologies. Additionally, technical challenges have emerged during the testing phases, particularly regarding the integration of advanced systems that ensure interoperability with other military platforms. These issues have led to delays and increased scrutiny from Congress and defense analysts, who are closely monitoring the program's progress to ensure that it meets its stated goals without excessive cost overruns or compromises in vehicle performance. Future prospects and upgrades. Looking ahead, the future of the AMPV program is poised for ongoing advancements as the U.S. Army continues to innovate and adapt to emerging battlefield requirements. The modular design of the AMPV allows for relatively straightforward upgrades in armor, weaponry, and technological systems, ensuring the platform can evolve alongside new military technologies and threats. Planned upgrades include enhanced cybersecurity measures, improved electronic warfare capabilities, and the integration of autonomous systems to reduce crew risk and increase operational efficiency. As the landscape of warfare becomes increasingly networked and digitized, the AMPV is expected to incorporate cutting-edge AI and machine learning technologies to enhance decision-making and tactical responses. This forward-thinking approach aims to maintain the AMPV's relevance and effectiveness, ensuring it remains a cornerstone of U.S. Army operations well into the future. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, Make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses and updates on global military developments. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.